Hi, this is how to create and display a pop-up on your store using the GSC Popup app. From the app admin, click Create Widget. You'll see a template gallery. Under Messages and Forms, you'll find empty templates to create pop-ups from scratch. There are also pre-made templates. They are divided by category: announcements, sign-ups, coupons, etc. You can preview a template to take a closer look, and once you've chosen one, open it for editing. On the left of the editor, you have a nested tree-like structure with all the objects that form your widget. The first item in the panel is the widget type, and in its settings, you can change the type of widget and its position if the widget type allows it. You can also apply settings to the whole widget, for example, change the font, the widget size, the corner radius. From the Objects menu, you can add more objects to the widget. The general objects form the layout of the widget: text elements, images, buttons, countdowns, and groups of objects. Form objects are input fields that allow you to collect data from respondents: email fields, phone fields, marketing consent, etc. When you click on an object, you can view and change its settings. More settings can be added to the right panel by clicking the plus icon. By switching to mobile, you can view and adjust the mobile settings separately. You can remove any of the existing objects in the template. Groups can contain several objects, and the group settings apply to all the nested objects: width, alignment, paddings, etc. Groups can also be nested under each other to create more complex layouts. From the Object menu, you can also add more pages to your widget. And you can add a teaser. The teaser is a floating button that opens the main widget. It can be styled independently and doesn't feature any fields. You can style the close button or hide it completely. The same applies to the back button, which appears by default on all pages after the first. When you are done with the design, move on to the targeting settings. You can display the widget immediately or choose a trigger: display on exit, display after scrolling a percentage of the page, after an amount of time on the page, etc. Next, select the store pages where you want the widget to appear. Lastly, set conditions for when the widget should stop appearing for the same visitor and for how long: after the user took action, after the user closed it, and so on. When you are done, save the changes. As a last step, open your theme editor and go to the App Embed section. Enable the GSC Popup App Embed, and your pop-up will appear on your store according to its targeting settings.